Hi guys, I'm starting my day around 5 in the evening. I'm attending Ancient and Medieval lecture on Unacademy. Questions from this section gets trickier. Intelligent way to go around this subject is to not neglect, leave it completely or overdo. Doing important topic is must to gain marks from this section, facts, keywords and what that word signifies. The trick to remember important key facts is to connect the word to its root or draw some imagination to that particular word. You have to put efforts in order to memorize. Strengthen your brain muscles by including some form of meditation or breathing exercise. Initially, it will be difficult to sit and meditate, but gradually you will develop the habit. It won't only increase your mental capability to focus, but it will connect you from within. Peace and tranquility you will find within yourself. Sat down to study around 12. Evening ritual and YouTube work is almost taking 4 to 5 hours daily. With practice, it will come down to 2 to 3 hours in coming few days. I am revising my ancient and medieval notes. Revising topics after every class is very important, else you will never be able to memorize facts. Conceptually, you can understand the topic from lecture, but to retain, you have to revise. Attending daily current affairs class. Current affairs forms an important role in developing our understanding of interlinking topics of GS subjects. It develops a holistic approach in how to go about a particular topic. It makes us more connected with the world, a part of something larger than us. Don't you feel preparing for civil services itself makes us part of something larger than us? We all have some cause to become a part of services, to serve people and nation. This feeling itself generates different level of vibration in body. What happens in the end, if we make it or not, God knows. But to dedicate ourselves into preparation to attain a certain level of knowledge of our nation, of our world, is going to remain a lifetime experience for us. Completing my remaining topic of polity, I have attended Atish Mathur sir's classes for polity. Let me tell you guys, he is just amazing at his work. He doesn't teach polity, he makes you fall in love with the subject. His method of teaching completely focuses on building conceptual clarity to imbibe essence of the subject. Everybody can rote facts from Lakshmikant, but to build the understanding is a task. Reading notes after the lecture. Reading polity book from Unacademy booklet. On Atish Mathur sir's YouTube channel, he has launched free crash course for polity prelims and mains. If you're finding any difficulty with polity, you can attend prelims crash course of polity for prelims. After then complete mains portion from mains crash course. I will put the link in my description box. Writing my manifestation journal. My dreams are coming true. There is a sense of peace in my heart while documenting my journey, sharing with you all. Thank you so much guys for giving me this platform. I will always remain grateful to you. my vision board is uplifted with higher energy. So guys, I'm done for the day, and it was a productive day. I chose to wind up at 5 a.m. so that I could sleep early. So I wake up early and start my day early. Let's see how it goes. Thank you so much guys for being a part of my journey. All the best for your preparation. Goodbye. Bye bye. Good night.